Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your friend, Sophia. The recent snowstorm left 15 inches of snow and made a big mess. We are going outside to shovel our driveway. Let me show you the beautiful snow. After we shovel, I'm going to make a very healthy and tasty zucchini omelette for our breakfast. Here my son is making a snow fort. He is Blackwell and he is enjoying eating the snow. This is our backyard. We just finished shoveling our driveway. Now let's go and make breakfast. In a small mixing bowl, add 1½ cups of shredded zucchini. Into them, crack 3 eggs. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Whisk them well. Add a tablespoon of milk and blend them well. In a small frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour 3 to 4 ladles of egg mixture and add some oil over the edges. Cover it and cook on medium-low for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it and cook uncovered for another 2 minutes. Take it and place it on a serving plate. Zucchini has high source of antioxidants and vitamin C, has anti-inflammatory properties that can improve heart health, high source of potassium, help improve digestion, low in calories and carbs, helps maintain eye health, good source of energizing B vitamins, can help control diabetes. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.